Okay, so first of all, thank you for coming today. The idea of today is just to present a bit about Yes Green, the results, the objective of this project. We will pass a video where some of you will appear on it. Then we have some speakers. And finally, we will have some non-formal games to play with you. So, first of all, I would like to speak a bit about ACT, so its organization. So, Asociația Comunitate pentru Tineret is a non-formal organization that work here in Craiova and also in Bailești, and have the main objective to promote community development through non-formal education. So, the mission is to develop, implement and support youth development programs built around the concept of lifelong learning, mobility and association.
Maybe not, but the fact that high school students came up with those ideas was really overwhelming for us. It was so nice to see them working in teams. One of them had the idea, did not come today and are at school or doing something else, had so many great ideas about green businesses. Maybe it sounds big, but we are really happy, honestly, that we at least put the seed, that we, let's say, light the flame to this. Maybe in the future you would like to do this, maybe not, but at least we actually managed to make you more aware.
Spune câteva cuvinte despre asociație. Am o prezentare în limba engleză pentru vorbitorii de engleză din sală, care vine și punctează câteva din elementele pe care vi le prezint, urmând ca apoi, tot din partea asociației, să vorbească vicepreședintele asociației despre un proiect proaspăt pe care îl lansăm astăzi aici. Arii de expertiză, dacă este să vorbim despre domeniul educațional, sunt analiza, dezvoltarea și implementarea de strategii educaționale, pe de o parte, pe de altă parte, dezvoltarea de capacități instituționale.
De aceea este vorba despre un târg de Crăciun, dar și despre bine comun. Este cel mai bun prilej pentru a intra în spiritul sărbătorilor și a deveni mai bun, mai uman, mai implicat.
Also, we don't forget about the children. Also, we have activities, a lot of them with them. We have the quality label, so we can also send volunteers from Romania abroad because we work through the European Solidarity Corps.
Hard party, so it was not like a big group. As you can see, we are trying to share with others the feeling of being happy while doing what you like, and what we like, of course, is doing something good for other people. Our association called Simbio Dolj is born first of all in Râmnicu Vâlcea.
So that's the story when me and this is my organization on this corner, unfortunately or fortunately. So we went to the horse ranch and we had a really nice time of trying.
Students learn to become future musicians, future artists, and why not future entrepreneurs. The relationship between Marin Sorescu High School of Arts and Communities for Youth Association, this one, is not a very old one. We have been friends for almost a year.
Thank you, Celeste, for telling us how the project was, what we did there. I am supposed to talk now about the green business ideas of this project. Well,
proiectul nostru răspunde scopurilor globale 12 și 13. Consum responsabil și producție și acțiune asupra mediului înconjurător, asupra climei. Așa cum spunea și doamna președintă a asociației, scopul
o oră cu scopul atragerii atenției asupra încălzirii globale și a schimbărilor climatice. Home for a